Hello everyone, welcome to our first YouTube channel, and this is the Fitness Drill. You can like, comment and subscribe if you are interested in our videos. Today we'll be talking about the benefits of shea butter. Shea butter is widely known because of its benefits in health, industries as well as users at home. There are two types of shea butter. We have the refined and unrefined. The refined simply means that different chemicals have been added and it has been processed into a different product. So shea butter can be found in soaps, hand and body moisturizers, medicines, as well as hair creams. The unrefined form simply means that it has no additives, and that is its original form. Shea butter was discovered in the 1950s, particularly in the western part of Africa, on a tree known as the Shea. This tree has a unique appearance which is similar to the acacia. Did you know that in the 50s, this tree used to serve as a shed where people used to sit, particularly in Ghana, Burkina Faso, and Mali? Due to curiosity, the residents tried to eat the fruit and noticed that there was something different and it had an effect on the human body. That is why it was being researched for various benefits. So upon research, it was discovered that shea butter is rich in vitamin E, A, and F. Main purpose and uses of shea butter is for the skin. On the skin, shea butter acts as a moisturizer. Due to the fatty oils found in shea butter, it can stay on the skin for as long as 24 hours without dryness. Shea butter can also act as a natural sunscreen due to its richness in vitamin A and E, which prevents UV light from damaging the skin. Shea butter also acts as an anti-aging cream, thereby preventing wrinkles from forming on the skin as it usually does. Shea butter also has other uses in the body, such as helping in the growth and formation of hair. Shea butter prevents hair breakages and thereby helping in the growth of hair. It also serves as a nourishment for hair creams. The use of shea butter in hair, especially in African hair, helps in the combing of the hair. Shea butter also acts as a preventer of body and muscle aches. The next time you have a muscle ache, try rubbing shea butter on it and you will realize that it has healing properties. Shea butter also has another use in that it can be used on burns. Anytime you have a burn from fire or from hot oil, simply apply shea butter on it and you will realize that the burns will subdue. These are the main uses of shea butter, although research is still going on to find other uses. If you enjoyed this video, you can like, comment, subscribe for more videos.